everybody, welcome to the Burnt Brats Homestead channel. This is the end of week 2 of raising Freedom Rangers for meat. As I mentioned last week, and as you can see today, the enclosure the Freedom Rangers are in is no longer suitable for 60 chicks. They have been in this enclosure for about 2 weeks now. They put on a good amount of weight during that time. The birds are free to eat as much food as they want the first 3 weeks. Next week will be the last week the birds can eat as much as they want. This is for safety reasons, as we do not want the birds eating so much that it negatively affects their physical health. So basically they have gone through about 25 to 30 pounds of feed per week the last 2 weeks, some of which was wasted on the floor of the cage because they are not the neatest eaters, but they do peck some of the food that they drop on the floor. Here is a look at how the birds change from day 1 when they arrive to the end of week 1. And here is how the birds change from end of week 1 to end of week 2 that we are in now. Because of their growth, the birds are now split between this homemade mobile pen and a dog cage. The birds are big enough that they cannot get out of the dog cage. And because the dog cage is completely open, it is a bit cooler in it than the mobile pen. So I have the heat lamp on for them. I hope by the end of next week, which will be end of week 3, that it will be warm enough for the chicks to move outside where they will have access to fresh pasture. We will see. But in the meantime, this setup will have to do. So come back next week for another weekly update, and I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.